Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is pumping, reaching 24,000 again. My trade, which was positive 2,000, then negative 2,000, now back to positive 4,000, which is beautiful. It's an 8 Bitcoin trade around $200,000. Also at the moment, $160,000. Also at the moment, there's been around every 4 hours on the 15-minute candle a 10,000 Bitcoin buy. So every 4 hours, someone is buying around 10,000 Bitcoin, causing these major spikes up, which is very interesting. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up the thumbs up button. Make sure make as much noise in the comment section down below. Comment how much you've been making, if you've been making gains, if you've been following me for a long time, if you're buying Bitcoin, if you think Bitcoin is going to go up. As much noise on the algorithm as possible so YouTube pushes the video. I'll try to get to Ethereum in the end of this video as well. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals. And now we're in Bitcoin, and you can see here, this is what I'm talking about on the 15-minute candles in this four hours ago, and here, so yeah, about 4 hours ago, and again here around 4 hours ago, there was around 10,000 Bitcoin buys. So how do I know it's 10,000? You can see here the normal volume. So on the just here, you can see here on the left the volume on the candle. It shows you. Up here, it shows you the volume, right? So watch when I move over that green candle. So here you can see the volume. The normal volume is 1,800 Bitcoin or 630 Bitcoin on the 15-minute candles. And you can see here 11,500 Bitcoin. And then you can see the volume goes back to normal, 2,800, 3,000, 855 Bitcoin, 907 Bitcoin. And then again, 4 hours later from this candle, another 9,500 Bitcoin buy. So around 9,000 Bitcoin extra there and around 10,000 Bitcoin extra there. So every 4 hours, and you can see that on those buys, you see a giant spike up on the chart on Bitcoin, a huge pump. So someone is keep putting a lot of buying pressure here, which is very interesting. Let's go out and then we'll see what's going to be happening. So on the daily candles, you can see here, this is Bitcoin moving since the beginning of the year from 16,000 when I actually called that pump. Now we're in this giant broadening ascending wedge. Got rejected, now coming down here. It looks like it's making higher highs. It's making higher highs on Bitcoin and making higher lows, which is bullish. Higher lows, very bullish for Bitcoin. Volume is increasing. Stochastic is oversold, turning to head up. And it looks like we're going to get a run to 25 to the top of this channel. 25,700 is a big resistance. 27,000 is strong resistance, and 28,850. So 4 hourly stochastic is overbought a little bit, but still heading up. Getting bounces off this trend line. It's making higher highs and higher lows, which is beautiful. What else am I seeing here? Squeeze mob is going to the green side. RSI is also heading up, not yet crossing, which is beautiful. Crypto Guru bot, let's see on the daily. Crypto Guru bot, which you get in the crypto master course. The link is in the description. Fired a blue buy. Look at that. It fired a buy back here. When Bitcoin was at 17,000, it turned blue and fired a buy. You get this big Crypto Guru bot in the master course, and it's still blue buy. It hasn't flipped to red yet, which is interesting. The Bitcoin indicator bot on the daily, also firing on the weekly, firing a buy at the exact bottom. You get these indicators in the crypto master course. So that's what's happening on Bitcoin. Let's go into the 4 hourly to set up our trade now. On the hourly, we're at a resistance here, possible double top in the shorter term. But again, every 4 hours, it made a higher high. Someone is buying a lot of Bitcoin every 4 hours. So I'd be going long here because I think in the next few hours we're going to get. So here you can see here at 8:45 a.m. my time, there was a buy, 10,000 Bitcoin. Then at 12:45, so exactly 4 hours, there was another 10,000 Bitcoin buy. And the next 4 hourly candle should be here at 6:45 here. So we should be getting another buy candle here. I'm going to set that line. I'll make a vertical line here. At 6:45, we should be getting another spike up, right? If that was at 12:45, no, at 4:45. So here, we expect that there should be another, let's see if there's another 10,000 Bitcoin buy. In preparation for that, I would actually go long here in case that buy comes in and spikes up Bitcoin. Going long here, stop loss just underneath in case it pulls back. And taking this trade to the first major resistance, 25 here. 25,745, and that's a very nice risk to reward ratio trade. It's risking My charts are the best. You can learn all this in the Crypto Master course, by the way. Risking $123 to make $1,978. So again, risking $123 to make $1,978. Where in the world else can you risk $123 to make $1,978? That's per Bitcoin, and make sure your stop loss is no more than 2% of your trading capital. With 10x leverage, that'll be $19,780 of profits. With 20x leverage, I don't recommend using more. I use maximum 20x leverage usually, unless the trade is a breakout trade. Then I can go to 100x. But on 20x leverage, that's almost $40,000 of profits. So again, it's risking $123 to make $1,978 with no leverage. So opening the trade at 23,767, stop loss at 23,644, and take profit at 25,745. That's the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin. So I'd open the trade right here, actually. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment, so down below in the description and pinned comment of this video, under the video in the description, pinned comment, go down below, sign up to Bybit using that link. You can get $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use that link. And that $30,000 worth of bonuses, it is for a limited time only. They keep extending it for my community, but it is for a limited time. Use that link to trade. You can buy MCRT on there. You can trade Bitcoin. You can go long, short. You can buy spot. It's the second biggest exchange for trading Bitcoin. Also, you can take the Crypto Master course. The link is down below in the description and pinned comment under there. Crypto Master course, join 7,000 students. That's where you get the Bitcoin Indicator bot and the Crypto Guru bot and learn technical analysis. And join the free Telegram alerts group where you can learn all this. And my students in the Telegram alerts group are making massive gains. This student, this student made $30 on his trade. This student made $2 on his trade. This student made 4%, $14. This student made, James, you rock. This student made $1,300 on BNB, $303 on Bitcoin. This student made 181%, 136%. This student made 56%, 83%, 238%. These are just free trades that I'm showing in my Telegram alerts group. I just started a week ago and I'm not playing with large amounts, but I'm very happy with when I win. Thank you, James, you're welcome. And just many, you can see all the gains the students are making, and some of my gains like this, 139,000 that day, $202,000 that day, which is beautiful. So that's the trades on Bitcoin. So I would open that trade. This is the trade setup, which again, opening it at 23,767 where we are, stop loss at 23,644, and take profit at 25,745, risking $123 to make 1,978. I'm currently long on Bitcoin with 8.2 Bitcoin position. It was negative $2,000 yesterday. Now it's positive $4,748, up 25%. This trade is quite a big one. It's not a big one, but $192,000 trade. I'm using $18,000 of leverage, of margin, 20x leverage. It's a $192,000 trade, now up $4,748. In this account, I have $229,000. I've got 3.5 Bitcoin. I've got 67,000 USDT. I've got 10.7 million MCRT in this account, and I'm going to buy more MCRT because it's currently, in my opinion, undervalued. You have to do your own due diligence. I am the founder of this project. Make sure you do your own due diligence. I'm buying another $1,000 worth of MCRT, which is beautiful. That trade is activating. So that's my trade on Bitcoin and MCRT. And here, according to history, January 2015, January 2019 was the start of the mini bull markets after the large Bitcoin bull market correction. 2019 lasted 147 days. So you can see here, after the correction, we had the big Bitcoin correction. This was in 2019. We had 147 days of a bull market where Bitcoin went up 313% to $10,600. And right now in 2023, after the big bull market that we had in 2021, we are on day 102 of the 147 of this bounce after the bull market. So we still have, I'll show you it here. You can see here that we still have around 45 days remaining. So I'll show you what I mean. So after the big bull market that happened in 2021, we had a big correction, right? And we went all the way back down. And if it follows history, we should have about 147 days of a mini bull market. That should take us to around $39,000. And right now we are on day we've got 45 days remaining. So we've been 102 days of this mini bull market, which is interesting. We've got 45 days remaining. And if you go back in history, you can see that the same thing happened in 2018. We had this big bull market and then big correction. And then we had 147 days of a mini bull market. So if that continues, that means we have another 45 days remaining of this mini bull market, which is beautiful. So that's what's there. Get ahead. Don't forget, I'll be speaking at AIBC Summit with Gary V on the 13th to the 16th of March in Dubai. Make sure to come and check it out. 400 speakers, 250 exhibitors, 30,000 attendees. Get ahead of the crypto game. Join high-level professionals at AIBC Summit. See you in Dubai from March 13th to March 16th. You can see that on Twitter. This was the 4-hourly candle. I posted on Twitter that those 10,000 Bitcoin buys. MCRT, this is Q1 2023. So far in Q1, they've released the player profile screen, team voice chat, NFT character integration. Mage is released, new map released, new character released. Ronin character is coming. So the team is just building. This is the new Ronin character coming. A samurai Ronin. Amazing. Look at the 2D drawings. He's already coming to life. He's already in VFX animation stage now, which is beautiful. The team is just constantly building on MCRT. Amazing job. And this is me announced 1 year ago. I interviewed the Gamium GMM CMO the CEO founder of GMM. And yesterday they announced they partnered with Meta, and then they had a 400% spike on GMM. So congratulations if you watched that video, which is beautiful. That's I talked a lot. I'll do Ethereum. I'll try to get it in the next video. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button, and join Bybit using that link down below. You can get up to $30,000 of bonuses. Love you all. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.